In this lecture, we need to create 3D practice exercise 9. You can see here elevation, side view and top view. Here this is length 90 mm this side, and this side 30 plus 15 45 width, and here height is 15 15 plus 30 total 60 mm height. First go to here, select here new, select here 3D practice template, then click here open, then go to the box, click any location, go to the length. We need to make it a length 90 mm. Just make it like this 90, then press enter. Next we need to make it width you can see here 30 plus 15, it is 45. Just make it like this 45, then press enter. Then we need to make it height you can see here 60 mm. Make it here 60, then press enter. Next we need to remove this location. If you go to the top view, we need to remove this location. That one, horizontal dimension 30, vertical 15. Just go to here, select here top, then go to here rectangle, click any location, go to the dimension, make it 30 into 15, 30, then press enter, 15, then press enter. Click any location, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint and click this midpoint, then go to here press pull, click here and click here, then press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it cut and remove this location. This location you can see horizontal 50, vertical 30. Go to here, then select here friend. You can see you will get it X and Y like this. This is our working plane. Then go to the rectangle, click any location, go to the dimension, make it dimension horizontal 15, vertical 30, 15, then press enter, 30, then press enter, click any location, select this one, go to copy, click this midpoint, place it this midpoint, press escape key, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it this midpoint. You can see here we placed this midpoint and this midpoint. Then go to the press pull, click here and click here, then click this face also, then click here, press escape key, select this one, select this 2D line only, then delete it. Next we need to remove this portion. For that you can see here dimension that this is horizontal 30, vertical 15. Just go to here, make it here top, then go to the rectangle, click any location, select here dimension, make it horizontal 30, vertical 15, 30, then press enter, 15, then press enter, click this location, select this one, go to the copy, click here, place it here, press escape key, select this one, go to the move command, click here and place it here. Next we need to remove the portion, go to the press pull, click here and click here, click here and click here, press escape key, select this 2D and delete it. Now we created this product. Next you can go to the layout, then you can go to the layout tab, then go to the base, select here from model space, click here, press enter, click here, then click here, press enter, you will get it. Select this one, go to here edit view, just go to here, make it shaded with visible line, then press enter, you will get it this one. Next you can create dimension. This is all the thing simple linear dimension. You can create the dimensions and you can make changes here, scale everything. After that you can save the drawing and you can print the drawing. Already you know how to make that all the thing.